Hello everyone, welcome back for example 3, the last example of the week. And so for this one, we're going to find the area of a sector. Now a sector means like a piece of the circle. So if you look and see how this little piece of the circle is shaded in gray, we're going to be finding the area of that specific piece today. And so there's another formula that we need to know. And so it is area of a sector over area of circle equals degree measure over 360 degrees. So this is the formula we're going to be using. Area of a sector over area of a circle equals degree measure over 360 degrees. Now there are 3 steps that we are going to use. So 1, find area of a circle. All right, so that's the first step, find the area of a circle. Step 2, plug into proportion. And step 3, cross multiply and solve. So there's 3 steps to all of these problems. Now first, find the area of the circle. So we are going to find the area of the circle. Step 1. All right, so area equals pi r squared. Now if you look at this, the center outward in this case is 10, so we're going to plug 10 in for the radius. So area equals pi times 10 squared. 10 times 10 is 100. So area equals 100 pi, and 100 times pi, area equals 314. All right, so that's step 1. Now for step 2, it says plug into the proportion. All right, so area of a sector, that's what we're solving for. So we're just going to still write sector or S. I'm just going to write S. So the sector over area of the circle we just found to be 314 equals degree measure. So if we look back at our circle, our degree measure is 55. So we're going to have 55 over 360. And this is step 2. So we plugged in our proportion. So we took our area of the circle, plugged that in. We took our degree measure and we plugged that in. Now step 3 says to cross multiply and solve. All right, so for step 3, we're going to cross multiply and solve. So we're going to do 360 times S. So 360S. And then we're going to have to do 55 times 314, which is 17,270. And we want just S. We don't want 360S. So we divide both sides by 360. And so then S, those cancel. S, once you divide those 2 numbers right there, you get 47.97. So this does have a couple steps to it. I try to label them off to the side. All right, so first find the area of a circle. We found the radius, plugged that in to get 10 squared. Our area is 314. We took our area and our degree measure. We plugged it into the proportion. We cross multiplied. And then we solved and got our sector to be 47.97. So there are 3 of these I would like you to try right now. So go ahead, hit pause, do numbers 1, 2, and 3, and then once you're done with those, unpause so you can see if you did them correctly. All right, so here's 7, 8, and 9. Okay, so number 7, The radius was 5, so we plugged in 5 for r. 5 squared 25. 25 times pi is 78.5, so that is our area. So we plugged it in for area of a circle. The 150 is our degree measure, so we plugged that in there. We cross multiplied. All right, so 360 times x, or s, however you wrote it, and then 78.5 times 150 gave us 11,775. Divide both sides by 360. Our area of the sector, or x, however you wrote it, is 32.71. For number 8, 7 is our radius, so we plugged in 7, which meant we got 49 pi. So it gave us an area of 153.86. We plugged it in for the area of the circle. We have 100 degrees, so we plugged it in for the degree measure, cross multiplied. 360x, or s, however you wrote it, equals 15,386. We want just x, so we divide both sides by 360. X equals 42.47. All right, we have one last one. In this case, our radius is 3, so we plugged 3 in for the radius. 3 squared is 9. 9 times pi is 28.26. We plugged that in for the area of the circle. If you looked back up, this said 90 degrees. So we plugged in 90 over the 360. Cross multiplied those two. So then you have 360x. And then 90 times 28.26, 254, 3.4. Divide both sides by 360. X equals 7.07. So the area of that shaded piece is 7.07. I know these two do take a little bit more time, so I did give you less of these in the homework. So feel free to go and do that homework now, but you have finished the week's worth of videos. I hope you've had a wonderful week, and if you have any questions, please feel free to reach out to me. Have a great day.